Hello and welcome to another demo of the Solo theme. My name is Ala Haddad and I am the developer of the Solo theme, and today we are going to talk about menus and Solo theme. I have a page to explain the menus and Solo theme, so if you'd like to read more about it, if you go to the demo and you click on the demo and under the features, menu navigations, and solo menus. And here I'm defining the menus, the type of menus I have in the theme. So we have link based menus. Those are just plain, straight like links, like this menu, as you see here on the right side. Basic menu, which is just one level or something if you'd like to print example, also actually like tabs or something like that here. Standard menu, which is like the multi-tier menu, example also like the main menu, and this menu comes in a click or on hover, drop down. And sidebar menu also, it's an example like this one. This is a sidebar menu. And the last one, it's the mega menu. The mega menu, we can see it also as an example of the mega menu. This is an example of mega menu. So let's see what we have, the type of templates we have inside the Solo theme. So inside the templates we have inside the templates we have inside the Solo theme. So this is the theme, and if you go to templates and navigation, and here actually are all kind of templates you will need if you try to customize or custom menu in your sub-theme. So let's start by the plain one. The plain one, I have a specific templates for it. So if you go to the templates for the plain one is that the footer menu. So I have any menu you print, and this is gonna be just a plain because I used it as a link. And also the sidebar, the second sidebar or the first sidebar. Here is this one. Those also are plain. So let's go to the next one of menus. The basic menu. The basic menu, if you'd like to have just a basic menu, you will use just the plain menu. That's the one. Let's practice and do some examples with it. I have a demo site here. I'm gonna refresh this one. And that demo site, it just has some content, and I have the menu. So here I printed, let's see what we have here. Under the content, I added the menu. It's called global. That's the menu name, and it's multi-level. So let's go to the site. This is the menu. And if you click and inspect, let's see what that menu is using. So it's using the default menu. This is the default, the menu.html. So if we try to minimize, it's not responsive. It's straight, just a regular menu. Doesn't have anything. So let's say, for example, this now. So this is the basic menu. Now the standard menu. The standard menu, it could be clickable or hover. So what is the standard menu, or how I can create the standard menu? These are the template for the standard menu. Actually, let's talk about templates for each one. Mega menu doesn't have any template because it's always going to be on the main navigation. So it's really like inside the primary menu, this one. So the mega menu inside solo, it uses this one, and the user account use this one. I have 1, 2, 3 templates, 1, 2, 3 for users they can use on the side if you try to create a custom menu inside the sub-theme. So let's use this one. So if I take this one and I'm going to my sub-theme, and inside the sub-theme here is the templates, and I'm putting this one. And if you go to the side and right click, remember I use this one because I have Twig enabled, the debug. You can't see these without the Twig. So I have this one here. So this is, if I'm trying, this is the default, is using the default. If I'm trying to create, I can do menu content or menu global. So let's do this one. So I'm gonna go here. So this one, it's the sidebar menu template. I'm gonna rename this one to global, and I'm refreshing the cache, clearing cache, and Command Shift R, and here is, this is now, it's a sidebar menu because I'm using the template for it. Here is. So this is the sidebar menu, and it's not responsive or anything. It's just it's one thing. It doesn't really matter. So now let's see the second type. I have another template here. It's called click, the responsive menu click. It's very much, it's like this menu, this one. It's like the primary menu. It's exactly almost the same template. So how we use this one? So same thing, we'll go here and just copy this one, and I'm going to the sub-theme. I'm moving this to trash, and I'm renaming this one this time global. Clearing cache, and Command Shift R, and here is the menu. Now it's clickable. It's not on hover. And this menu is responsive. So if you shrink, here is. That's what you get if you try to do a template. If you use this template. The third kind, exactly the same except on hover. So if we go here, and I'm taking this one, and I'm putting it here inside my sub-theme, move to trash, there it is. So this is the hover, and it's responsive too. So this is the menu in the solo theme the types of menu. So if you try to print the right side menu, I have them have a template on the right side. If you try to use it at the footer, I have a template for the footer, and that's the footer menu. You use just the plain links. For all other menus, I have a template for each one. Now let's see if we go to appearance setting, the sub-theme. So this is where you have in the menu for the mega menu, because the mega menu, I don't have any template for it. I use the primary menu. So if you try to use the mega menu, this one, for example, doesn't have that much really content. But let's do something quick, because the global has more. And we do primary menu, and we do this one on the sidebar. Save. So this is now, I change it to the sidebar, and this is the just the regular menu. So if I go how we activate the mega menu, you just go and check this one, and this is the layout. So let's do something like this first and then see. See, that's the mega menu. Now it's too calm, and you defined it exactly how many percentage wise. So if we go to, I said 67 to 33, and same thing, it goes the list. And this one, if you try to make the second level be bolded as a header. So if this one doesn't have a, I think this one has, yeah. So if we refresh now, it's not, they're not. So the second, they're gonna be bolded, not the third, the second level. So if we go here, that's the second level. This one is the only one has a children. All of them are bolded now. So this is the mega menu. I hope you liked the demo, and see you in the next one.